Welcome to FlexBlock, the first tool in Format's new era of design and customization. The FlexBlock feature allows you to create unique block modules for your custom pages. You can add and rearrange images, text, buttons, and dividers on a grid-based system to create layouts that fit your work. To use FlexBlock, first create a custom page. You can either start from scratch or add FlexBlock to an existing template. Click Add Item. Go to the Flexible tab, and then select the block. From here, click Edit Block. The selection option in the top left allows you to set your block to full width and remove padding and elements. You can also change the block's background color independent of the rest of your website. In the Flex block, there are currently 4 elements you can play with: text, images, buttons, and lines. First, let's start with images. You can set the boundary of your image by using Fit or Fill. Fit allows you to keep the original aspect ratio. Fill will have your image fill the bounding box you set. Use the blue bounding box to move and resize your image. Flex block allows you to overlap elements as needed. In the top navigation, change your layer order to move elements backward and forward. You can even use images to be the background of your block. Use the overlay option to adjust the color and opacity of your images. The corner radius option allows you to round the corners on your images. Add text elements to your block. Text elements follow the style set by your site's design settings. Use the text options to change the text weight and alignment. Add buttons. Buttons can be used to link to other pages on your site, external pages, or as a direct mail-to link. Use the customization option to adjust the button's destination, color, and alignment. Finally, add lines to divide up sections on your block. Use the customization option to change the line weight, design, and color. You can use the drag option at the bottom of the block to increase the size of your Flex block. Design options really open up with larger blocks. Flex block, for creatives who want ultimate control over their design.